Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove color of last page in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document with some page and last page color. Now we can see this document is very long and page color is added in last page. Now we remove this page color, click the last page and go to the format menu. Then click shape fill option and choose no fill. Then we select this text on this page and go to the home menu. Then change the text color black. Now we can see we removed color of last page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.